Welcome. In front of me is the EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and today I'll show you how to put the device into factory mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. And once your device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down. So let's first wait for it to turn off, and now let's hold power key and volume down. Once you see the EMPORIA logo, let go of the power key, and we are now in the factory mode. So in this mode you will use volume down key to scroll down, and up doesn't really go up, so you'll have to cycle through them, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now additionally, as you can see, the factory mode here is in different language. I believe this is something like Korean, I think. Or yeah, I actually am not exactly sure, but anyway, so from what I remember, the first two options in here are basically just manual and automatic test, which will test just the device components, so things like camera, screen, and all that stuff, just so you are aware that the device is working correctly. And also I do remember that the eMMC, it's actually a clear eMMC, which is basically an equivalent of factory data reset of your device. And now if you're wondering exactly what each one of those options does, you can just simply search for it on Google for factory mode, and people did basically take all these many and added translations to them, because this is quite common, to be perfectly honest. And also if you want to leave it, simply select the last option and press power key, which, as you can see, it tells you in English, rebooting. And there we go. As you can see, we are now back in Android. So that is how you boot in and out of the factory mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.